Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Coinbase. Alright, if you've been wondering how to verify your identity on Coinbase, this video is for you. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to go through this process. So let's not waste any more time, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. And once you're logged into your account, just go to the settings tab, and once you're there, you want to click on identity verification, and then you're going to need to upload a valid government issued identification card. It could be your individual taxpayer identification number, or you could use your social security number. And next, you're going to need to provide additional identification information. Just get through that step, and then you just wait for Coinbase to review and verify your identity, and then you're going to receive confirmation of successful verification. And if it's not successful, Coinbase is going to let you know, and you're going to go through that again with the correct information. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to verify your identity on Coinbase. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.